Hello, I'm doing a series of videos at the moment based on my book, Tapping into Ancestral Healing, because I'm running a series of workshops based on the book. And I thought I'd give you a flavour of it in case you'd really like to join me on the workshops, because we'll have a lot of fun. We always do on my workshops. So I've covered a lot of the stuff that's been on the book, in the book, and I'd like to do this one just tapping while I read through something called Back to the Blueprint, which I created with the help of Pika Reiner and Beth Sorger, and I love it. And sometimes I need to read this through to myself. So we'll be tapping mostly on the side of the hand, and as always, if you tap with me, you'll be taking full responsibility for your own well-being. So let's tap. Back to the blueprint. Even though there is a blueprint within me of the shining essence of who I am, and I forgot that, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I forgot, I now gratefully accept help from my guides, helpers, angels, source and my higher self and all parts of me to help and support me while cleaning, clearing and repairing all damage to my chakras, aura or any of my bodies from this life and dimension or any other, so that I return wholly to that shining, glowing essence of who I am. Even though I forgot, I'm choosing now to align to that blueprint of my shining essence. And I ask that this is fueled so it continues in ways that I don't need to know, continually clearing the connection to Source and Earth, so I can continue to shine and glow and completely fill that me-shaped space in the universe that only I can fill anyway. And I ask this with thanks and appreciation. So enjoy letting your shining essence shine forth. It's really what we need in this world. And you're adding to the world by being your true, shining, beautiful self. Bye.